Mitraya Namaha. Thank you for being in the energy circles of the VSP 1080 channel. Agni Smarana. We will spend some precious time to send our energies of prayers to the entire universe with the purest thought of cleansing and clearing all the viruses, infections, pains, and complications. Let the supreme positive energy burn away the evil, devil, peril, and calamities. Let us trust the age-old traditional promises given to us by our ancient sages and the holy scriptures. Let us do our duty, our share, our love for the world. Let no discriminations of caste, creed, religion, and location blind us. Let us contribute our best of prayers and healing to live a safe, healthy, peaceful, calm, pure, prosperous, and honest life. Let no calamity dare to enter our world, and let no human being and the living creatures upon this planet be harmed, be troubled, be insulted, or belittled and suffer. Let love, empathy, compassion, harmony, and togetherness prevail. Let us be good and do good as we strive for the highest good. Goodness is godliness. Our noble thoughts become great, powerful prayers. Let no discrimination, hatred, and ego blind us. This is a very simple yet very powerful way of invoking the supreme healing energies from the activated Simhatalata. Trust me, this is the voice of Keshara Mitra. I am a zero and my Guru is the hero. All you have to do is place your left palm upon your head and right palm upon your chest as you repeat with me the Sat Sankalpa Vachan, which is the simple prayer which sends your willful, positive, affirmed energies to the entire universe. We request Agni Dev to restore peace, good health, and living happily in this beautiful, free, healthy world. Let no hatred, jealousy, and evil dare to come near us. Let this world be a safe place with lovesome beings everywhere. Now, you may light the fire after you place a cow dung cake in a bowl or Agni Patra and pour ghee sufficient enough to invoke fire. You can even visualize it if you are initially unable to do it virtually. Today, we are beginning it and you are picking it up. Probably it is a learning day. But from tomorrow, be prepared to do it sincerely for 2 days or 3 days with me. Even if you are able to do it for a single day, it is more than enough. But it would be great if you can continue to do it. It is very simple. Let us do a miracle to the world. Let us ourselves experience the great miracle and get rid of this doom. This is not the regular Vedic yajna or havan. No sruk and shruva required. We are not doing any homa. This is a healing methodology of invoking the activated fire energies to burn away all negativities, viruses, infections, and illness. This is an extraordinary method of projecting the beams of love towards the universe for invocation. Positive energies invocation. It is very effective if you can choose to light a cow dung cake in any bowl and keep the flame burning as you allow the divine fire energy vibes to spread all around, clearing away negative fields. Trust me, if you are unable to secure any bowl or do the actual ritual, you can simply visualize it. But doing it with the fire is very powerful. The vibrations are unique. This system builds up self-confidence, drives away fear, and helps to gain the shielding powers. You will be guided towards immunity consciousness. After you have lit the fire in the bowl, hold both your thumbs inside your fists and chant the healing mantra just once with utmost dedication. Do not bother much about the accurate Swarayukta pronunciation. Your intention plays the major role. Just once chant with me this mantra, or at least hear it carefully. Upatvagne dive dive doshavastattriya vayam Namo bharantayemasi rakshamam sarvajananam raksha raksha. Now, chant the powerful Agni Gayatri 7 times. Om Vaishwanaraya vidmahe Lalilaya dhimahi Tanno Agni prachodayat. 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 This beautiful Agni Gayatri mantra, Om Vaishwanaraya vidmahe Lalilaya dhimahi Tanno Agni prachodayat, does the biggest wonder. You have chanted the first healing mantra once, next the Agni Gayatri mantra 7 times. Now say this healing prayer wholeheartedly, constantly, as long as you can. I invoke Agni Bhagavan, who is the celestial messenger of all gods and supreme powers, to give great immunity and withstanding energies to drive away all blockages, viruses, infections, blockages, hurdles and illness. I project the holy fire energies to the entire universe and every being to live happy, healthy and safe. I know and believe that Agni will burn away all negativities. I command the powers to follow my orders as commanded by Guru Tattva. Jayostu. I invoke Agni Bhagavan, who is the celestial messenger of all gods and supreme powers, to give great immunity and withstanding energies to drive away all blockages, viruses, infections, blockages, hurdles and illness. I project the holy fire energies to the entire universe and every being to live happy, healthy and safe. I know and believe that Agni will burn away all negativities. I command the powers to follow my orders as commanded by Guru Tattva. Jayost. I invoke Agni Bhagavan, who is the celestial messenger of all gods and supreme powers, to give great immunity and withstanding energies to drive away all blockages, viruses, infections, blockages, hurdles, and illness. I project the holy fire energies to the entire universe and every being to live happy, healthy, and safe. I know and believe that Agni will burn away all negativities. I command the powers to follow my orders as commanded by Guru Tattva. Jayost. I invoke Agni Bhagavan, who is the celestial messenger of all gods and supreme powers, to give great immunity and withstanding energies to drive away all blockages, viruses, infections, blockages, hurdles, and illness. I project the holy fire energies to the entire universe and every being to live happy, healthy, and safe. I know and believe that Agni will burn away all negativities. I command the powers to follow my orders as commanded by Guru Tattva. Jayost. Now, visualize Agni burning away all the negativities, clearing away all the blockages, and visualize that people who are suffering from calamities, illness, nasal blockages, respiratory problems, problems from any virus, any attack, are totally relieved, and see them opening their eyes with a smile. Feel your energies from your third eye and from your heart going towards each and every human being, living beings, the plants, the trees, the mountains, the entire globe, and the whole universe. Feel the entire universe glowing bright with bright yellow color. Keep on hearing this wonderful invocation, chanting, and healing mantra with love for some time, and release yourself from the attachment immediately and smile. You can send healing energies directly from your third eye or from your heart chakra for the good and the highest good. Wholeheartedly pray. Fold your hands to Agni and ask him to show the miracle. He is the mouth of Surya. He is the messenger of gods. Invoke Agni Dev and it shall happen. This is the voice of Keshari Mitra. Trust me and be with me. This is the Agni Smaranam final healing appeal. Soon after the chanting ends, you can relax, take some water and wipe your eyes and forehead and wash your hands and feet. Relax yourself for a few minutes and you are back to normal, loaded with high positive energies. Digvijayi Agnirdev Mukham Agniyor Mukho Suryah Sarvarishtan Doshan Dagdham Kuru Agnim दग्धं कुरु सर्वरोगान् दोषान् क्लेशान् दग्धं कुरु अग्निं दग्धं कुरु सर्वारिष्टान् रोगान् क्लेशान् दग्धं कुरु अग्निर्देवमुखम् अग्नियोर्मुखो सूर्यः सर्वारिष्टान् दोषान् दग्धं कुरु अग्निं दग्धं कुरु सर्वरोगान् दोषान् क्लेशान् दग्धं कुरु अग्निं दग्धं कुरु सर्वारिष्टान् रोगान् क्लेशान् दग्धं कुरु अग्निर्देवमुखम् अग्नियोर्मुखो सूर्यः सर्वारिष्टान् दोषान् दग्धं कुरु अग्निं दग्धं कुरु सर्वरोगान् दोषान् क्लेशान् दग्धं कुरु ॐ तच्छं योरावृणीमहे गातुं यज्ञाय गातुं यज्ञपतये दैवी स्वस्तिरस्तु नः स्वस्तिर्मानुषेभ्यः ऊर्ध्वं जिगातु भेषजं शन्नो अस्तु द्विपदे शं चतुष्पदे ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 आदित्योऽहं गृणीसूर्य आदित्यवो गृणीसूर्य आदित्य पूर्णानन्दाय वो सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु लोकाः समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु दिग्विजयोस्तु शुभमस्तु श्रीरस्तु हरि ओम तत्सत्। Mitraya Namaha. Welcome to Energy Circle's VSP 1080 channel. Thank you for the amazing response. Please do not forget to pass it on and subscribe. Thank you very much. Aditya Sakshi Sampurna Raksha.